NTA CUCET UG 2022 online form is available. So most of the student doesn't know about this CUET, right? So NTA, you know, National Testing Agency, which conducts NEET, JEE, the same thing will conduct this CUET. What is the CUET? CUET is nothing but Common University Entrance Test, right? Common University Entrance Test, which is for UG. UG meant undergraduation for degree, right? Like engineering, MBBS, basic science are also degrees, right? So 2022. So this NTA has published this notification. So here you can see that we'll be conducting in 13 mediums across India for admission into undergraduate program in CBT mode for all central universities, right? So if you qualify this exam, you are going to do your degree in central universities in India for the academic year 22-23, right? So this is the entrance test the NTA has conducted, that is CUET, Common University Entrance Test, right? So here what is the qualification? Candidate should have 10th, he should completed his 10th and 12th, right? 10 plus 2 is nothing but 12th. So about the application fees, you can see that for general merit or unreserved, that is general merit, it is 650, and for backward economically backward section, right, OBC, NCL, economically weaker section, EWS, they have to pay 600 fees for the application. SC, ST, physically PWD and this transgender, they have to pay 550 rupees, right? So it can be through debit card, credit card, net banking, e-channel and all. So these are the payment options for this application, right? So age limit, no age limit for this common university entrance test. Anybody can put the application, right? So important dates, see, it has started on 6th 4th means April 6th 4 2022, and it will end around 6/5 May 6th 5 2022, right? So these are the important dates you have to make sure, right? Take a screenshot if it is necessary. So the link, if I want to provide you, so this is the official page of that common university entrance test, right? That link will be provided in my description box of this video, right? So this is the link. See, so about NTA they have talked about. So what is this? NTA, National Testing Agency, which conducts NEET, JEE, I told, right? The same will conduct this CUET. What is the CUET? Common University Entrance Test, right? So just I will read it so that you will get to know. So the Common University Entrance Test is being introduced for the admission into all UG programs. UG means undergraduate programs in all central universities for academic session 22-23 under the Ministry of Education, right? The common that common university entrance test will provide a common platform for and equal opportunity to candidates across the country, especially those from rural and other remote areas, and help establish better connection with the universities, right? A single examination will enable the candidate to cover a wide outreach and be part of the admission process to various central universities, right? So if you qualify this exam, you can pursue your degree in central universities, right, all over the India, right? So you will be surprised which universities are, it is only meant for science students or what? No, it is not meant for science only students, right? So let us see what are the universities will come under this entrance test. After that we can see which are the subjects. See, these are the list of universities. So list view, you can see, right? Aligarh Muslim University, Assam University, so many. Banaras Hindu University, it is in BHU, right? Banaras Hindu University we call, it is in UP, Uttar Pradesh, right? One of the top university for chemistry, it is Banaras Hindu University. There are central universities are there. See, just you can go through. There is so many. Central University of Haryana is there. Central University of Jammu, Jharkhand, Karnataka. That is there in Gulbarga in Karnataka, right? So Kerala, Odisha, Rajasthan, South Bihar, Tamil Nadu. So many universities they are coming under this. See, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, right? And Jawaharlal Nehru University, which is there in Delhi, right? JNU you call, right? So these all university you can pursue your degree, right? National Sanskrit University is there. See, those people who are interested in Sanskrit and want to learn UG, PG and PhD, they can join this, right? So this was about this university. See, Sikkim University, so many universities are there, right? IIMT University, So these are the list of university, and other universities also you can go through, right? So this link also I will provide it in the description box of this video, right? So this is about universities, and which all the things we can pursue the UG, right? So not only science student, even commerce students, all students can apply for this universities. See, in all those universities, the universities which has got this accountancy, there you can do accountancy, agriculture, anthropology, art, education, sculpture, biology you can do, business studies if you are interested you can pursue, chemistry, computer science, economics, business economics, engineering, graphics, entrepreneurship, environmental studies, geography, history, home science, knowledge, traditional practice India, language, first and second, right? So many legal studies, mass media, mass communication, mathematics, physical education, right? Sports, those who are interested in sports, if they want any degree and jobs, they can do this physical education, and physics, political science, psychology, sociology, teaching aptitude, right? So many these are the topics you can pursue your degree, right? So according to their syllabus it is there, view and download. If you want to pursue your degree in biology, you can click it and download there, right? Chemistry, computer science, right? So you can go through this is about university, this is about syllabus. Now information bulletin, if I click this, we will end up this one, right? So this is the information bulletin which talks completely about this national testing agency, right? NTA, which will conduct this GE and NEET. Same it will conduct this CUET, right? Common University Entrance Test 2022, right? So this is information bulletin. See, these are the universities they have mentioned, right? So many universities are there. See, just you can go through this. So about this CBT, it is a computer based exam, entrance for central universities, common university entrance test. That is only one test you have to write. If you are eligible, based on your ranking you can select the universities. Top university, if you want, you have to get good ranking, or otherwise you can get into any central university, right? So list they have provided, right? About this NTA, everything they have given it, right? So if you go through this index, see, introduction about NTA they have given, central universities, about CUET, role of NTA they have given, examination scheme. So if you are confused about how examination is there, that you have to read it, page number 16, mode of examination, whether it is MCQ, choice medium of everything you will get to know, exam pattern, right? Test subject code, everything, examination scheme, syllabus of the test, syllabus we have to download it, right? Eligibility criteria, I have told no age limit for this, right? Reservations, right? Everything, admit card, everything will get to into this only when you refer this information bulletin, right? So the link of this will also be provided, otherwise I'll upload it in the Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel will be displayed in the description box, right? You have to go through this. So many students they don't know, even when we were the students we didn't know about this central university, right? So to pursue these uh, like fields, degrees, right? So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Otherwise, if you are interested in some other course, but you have to go through these things, right? You should know. And if you have any friends who are interested in such subjects, you have to refer them, then only things will be improving in our India, right? So this is about this video, right? So please take the important dates screenshot, so that it will be helpful for you. And the everything, the registration, everything links will be provided in the YouTube description box, right? Thank you.